Hi creators, this is Sabby and I welcome you to the Republic of Creators, an ecosystem of resources to help you master YouTube and online video. Now the other day I had the opportunity to talk with Max Miller with Tasting History YouTube channel. If you do not know who Max is, well you should, because he's somebody that has gained over 250,000 subscribers with only 25 videos. Yes, you heard it right. 250,000 subscribers with 25 videos. In this channel, he combines history with food. Now in this video, I asked him exactly that. How did he do this? We learned how he thinks he combined these two elements in all his videos that may have helped him grow so fast. Now this is a clip from our podcast interview, and you can also watch the full episode in audio and video. The links will be in the description box below after you invite this video. And also guys, after you watch this video, I invite you to join the Republic, take advantage of all the amazing resources we have for you. Most importantly, join our free meetup group. Hundreds of video creators from all over the world meet bi-weekly to share best practices and grow their tribe, because at Republic of Creators, we truly believe together we learn, united we create. Now let's go and watch this clip. But why do you think your channel outperformed so many other YouTube channels that are not able to get the number of subscribers you have with just a couple of dozen videos?
I mean, whoever knows the mysteries of the YouTube algorithm, but if I had to take a guess, I think that one thing that kind of sets Tasting History apart from a lot of other YouTube shows, and not all of them, most definitely, but is the accessibility, both the cooking and the history. The history is light. I mean, we deal with serious topics, but everything is done in a light manner. It's not a bunch of dates and names just thrown at you. It's a lot of, I like to go back and find, primary sources where you actually get to hear the historical figures talking about whatever it is that we're discussing that day. And then I have my cheeky little asides about the history that just kind of make it fun. And then when it comes to the cooking, I'm not a professional chef. I'm an at-home cook, and I make a lot of mistakes, and I give my viewers permission to make a lot of mistakes. Or, because we're doing historic recipes, sometimes ingredients are really difficult to find, or methods are next to impossible, or just a big pain in the butt. So I give permission to, make this easy on yourself. You're not doing this for your doctorate. You're doing this for fun. So if you have to use this kind of sugar instead of that, go ahead. So I think that helps.
Yeah, I absolutely. I think you nailed it. And I think also something that just from being someone that helps a lot of other people with YouTube, when I was dissecting your channel, of course, I noticed the way you present, your video quality, your audio quality. On top of that, the fact that you sub-niched your channel, not just to food, but you went into the history of it as well. And that's you made your concept very unique. So unique that people that love food, which is I guess 7 billion people in the world, which is you pretty much talk to everybody, but you've basically now went into something niche saying, well, we specialize about this, or this is the angle we take on our topic. And I think people really like that. So you have a lot of elements that are actually going on there, which is correct. So anybody that wants to look at what Max is doing on his channel, please make sure you go to the link below, or if you're listening to this on audio, make sure that you go to the show notes and you can link on his channel. In the end, we'll certainly talk about where people can find you as well.